welcome back again to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how you can take your body measurements yourself. This video was requested by a client actually who lives far away and needed to make a bespoke dress. So she wondered how she could do this herself if she hasn't got someone around to take the measurement. So I thought to share this video as well with you guys on this channel because someone might find it helpful. These measurements can be used to make your trousers, your top, your gowns, dresses, blazer, different kinds of dress. In fact, it's a general body measurement for every style you want to make. Okay, so without further ado, let's measuring tape is numbered in inches and in centimeters. Do well to use any side you prefer. So I'm working with the inches and this is how you do the measurements, beginning with the bust. Make sure you insert one finger or your thumb between your body and the tape for every measurement you're taking. This will give you the accurate measurements. So the measurements you're going to pick will be the one at the edge of your measuring tape, okay? So for this one, we're going to pick this measurement here, and that's for the bust. Your under bust has to be under your bust, bottom of your bra. Your waist is usually above your navel, is the smallest part of your waistline. Around your waist, when you're making a skirt or anything that needs a band, this has to be held firm. You pull it tight to your body because you want it to hold when you wear the skirt or trousers. So that's it. Make it firm. For your hip, you measure the widest part of your hip. Then around your thigh, when you're making a trouser, your knee, your ankle. We're going to measure two kinds of ankle, for your pencil trouser and for your normal pants. That's your ankle for your pencil, and for a normal pant you go like that. It has to go under your heels like that. Place the tape across your shoulder and relax your arms, okay? And that's your shoulder measurement. So that's for the horizontal measurements. Now for the vertical measure. Beginning from your shoulder at the top, you see where the seam line is. That's where you place the tip of your tape. Then you measure from that point. This is your bust point. This is your under bust. This is your waistline. This is your hip line. Make sure you stand straight, okay? Now, if you need to measure the length above your thigh, okay, What you need to do is to shift your hands like that gently on the tape while dropping the top of the tape, okay, so you don't have to bend. And then for a long dress, this is how it goes. Just make sure it passes while you're still standing. Then you move your hands gradually to the bottom. Okay, so this is the full length of your blouse. That's where it stops. So if you're making a skirt or trouser, you start from your waistline and you're going to take the full length as well down to the bottom. Then measuring around your sleeves. To measure your bicep, this is your arm. From your upper arm, you just put the tape like so. Remember to relax your arm for every measurement you're taking. Okay, so that will be it. The point on the edge of the tape, that's your measurement. You pick that up. Then to measure your elbow, same way, you hold the tape, place your arm out, then that's your elbow measurement. And for the wrist, same way, measure that, and that's the wrist measurement. To measure your sleeve length, start from the edge of your shoulder line, place your tape, relax your arm, then you go gradually and pick the measurements you want. Depends on the length of the sleeve you want. Then for a long sleeve, you can just pick up the measurements while your tape is still like that. Now for your bust span or nipple to nipple, measure from the tip of your bust span, measure from that end to the other one, and any figure you get, that's your bust span. Okay, then to measure from the upper chest like that, that's your upper chest measurement. Upper chest to under bust, that's how you go. So when you measure your neck, you don't hold it exactly at the top of your neck. You have to relax your tape. Okay, you relax your tape and make it a bit free. Okay, like that. Okay, if you need to measure your crotch depth, sit on a flat surface, measure from your waistline to the flat surface. I hope this captures all the measurements you would like to work with. Most important thing I always say is, while you have your clients there, if you're not sure of it, use your tape to confirm it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this was interesting and helpful. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and turn on the notification bell as I upload video on this channel weekly and you don't want to miss any of those. Any question you may have, I'm happy to answer them. Pop them in the comments for me and I'll respond as quickly as I can. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.